Hi guys, there's a number of you that have reached out to me regarding Gamer Token saying that, look, Gamer Token is a scam token. You've lost a lot of your investment in Gamer Token and basically wondering what the team are up to, etc. So in this video, I'm going to address those concerns. So share my thoughts on Gamer Token, what I believe in terms of the investment as well. So long term, and also I'm going to go through the price action. So looking at where the price currently is and where I believe it's going to go to, and basically look at the price in terms of should people be getting worried right now. But before I get into today's video, make sure you guys subscribe and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. And while you're at it, you can get 2 free stocks valued at $1,850. All you have to do is check out my Weibo link in the description box below. So the first concern is that people have reached out to me saying that, look, they believe Gamer Token is a scam, right? Because since they got in, the price has just been falling and it doesn't seem to recover. So they believe that the team is possibly cashing out. So as they get in, so the team is basically offloading their tokens to new investors or investors that are basically loading up or buying more of the token. Part of the reason why they believe this is that the team hasn't come up with any new updates or anything that's going on with the token, and also letting people know how they plan to achieve what they've set out to achieve. So you can understand this concern that people are having. But what I would say is, bearing in mind, Gamer Token is a fairly new token, right? So since it came out, it's made a very good run up, and since then the price has just been falling, but the team have actually been achieving what they've set out to achieve so far. So why the price is dropping could be because of a number of reasons. So it could be that people are taking their profits, from the first run up, they want to take their profits and then go. It could also be the team is offloading the tokens on people, so basically selling their tokens. It could very well be that the overall token market or the crypto market is generally down, because across the board, even on Keyshoe, even on Bonfire, the prices have just been dropping. So this could be a number of reasons, and also it could be the fact that the team behind Gamer Token, they're not burning enough tokens. So the whole idea of burning tokens is that, look, you're decreasing the supply and circulation. So as you decrease the supply and circulation, the value of each token becomes a bit more valuable. So the more tokens you burn, the less supply and circulation, and as the demand increases, so too will actually the price of the token, and also the value of the token will increase. So the burning of tokens is actually very important, because this is partially why Dogecoin reached the price that it reached, because there was a lot less in circulation. So as people were buying into it, it basically took off. So the reason the price is falling could be one of those many reasons. However, what I would say is that, look, if you got involved in Gamer Token, you must have had a reason why you were getting involved in Gamer Token in the first place, why you were investing in it, and also have a plan. So it's best to have a long-term plan when you're investing. So if you just got on Gamer Token because you thought it was going to rocket straight away, and you got on it at the all-time high and the price has just been falling since then, so it's best to just wait it out. If you've got the risk tolerance, you've got the capital, and also you've got the patience, which is most important. If you've got the patience, you're better off just waiting it out until the price recovers, because it's most likely going to recover. That's what usually happens when something new comes out, like a new token. Everyone rushes, right? Everyone's like, oh my god, let's get on. There's a lot of hype around it. A lot more people are getting to know it. A lot more people are jumping on board, especially new investors are jumping on board. So of course that's going to increase the demand, and as the team behind the token are coming up with new ideas, new plans, new visions for the token and for pretty much the direction that they're going to take the token, the more ideas they come out with, the more gas people get, right? They're like, you know what, oh my god, that's going to be amazing. Or you're doing this new partnership, that's going to be amazing. Here's my money. They'll just be throwing money at it. So the price rises, and obviously as time goes on, the price could drop for one of the many reasons: people getting out on profit, the team behind the token pretty much selling off the shares. Basically what I've already said, but if the fundamentals around that team are solid, basically their plans, how they execute their plans and how they achieve what they've set out to achieve is solid, and I really don't see why the price can't recover back. But right now, only time can tell. So you really need to decide what you're going to do with your Gamer tokens. Are you going to sell them because the price is falling? Are you going to get out at a loss? Are you going to hold on to it for the long term? So basically ride out the volatility that the token is experiencing at the moment, and then once the waters calm, then the price can start rising again as more people get on board. Because bearing in mind, this is still fairly new. So currently on the chart of Gamer Token, so looking at the 15-minute chart, and as you can see, there's been a huge sell-off. I mean, the price tried to recover intraday. However, it got to this resistance at 7867. And since then, there's just been effectively a lot of wicks and a lot of resistance around this area. I mean, this resistance was once a potential support, but that support was then broken and the bears pretty much took control. But when the price got back up to that level, it's proven as a very good resistance. So we'll just wait to see, first of all, if the price gets above this resistance, or if it gets to this resistance in the first place. More recently, in this 15-minute candle, there's actually been a lot of bullish presence. but this session is closing bearish at the moment. So the bulls tried to take control of the price. To be honest, I'm not really sure why this spike is here at the moment, but there's a spike nevertheless. So the bulls tried to take control and the bears have just brought it back down. So perhaps a piece of news came out that I'm not aware of. This piece of news was anticipated to be good or favorable to the bulls or to buyers. But since people got the news, they've just been selling, they've lost confidence in it, which is why pretty much this huge sell-off. If we have a look at the daily chart, so basically there was a gap down, all right, which is not really a good sign. It means there's a lot of selling pressure and bearish momentum, but it looks like the price is heading down to this support. So the support at 5785 or support zone between 5785 and 4833. So first of all, I believe it's very likely that the price is going to get to this area and test this support, because right now it looks like the bears are actually serious about bringing the price back down and testing this support. So we'll wait to see if this support holds. If the support holds, it's likely that the price is going to pretty much bounce off the support and continue trading upwards. Or if the support doesn't hold, then it's very likely that the price is just going to continue heading down to effectively where it started at 276. So guys, looking at the chart, right, I've got to keep it real with you. The price doesn't really look good at the moment. There's just been sell-offs after sell-offs, so I can really understand why people are getting like anxious, they're getting concerned about what's going on, because at the end of the day, it's their money, it's their investment. They got on Gamer token because they believe that, look, they're gonna make a return on investment, right? I mean, that's why you invest in it. Or the fact that the price just keeps falling down, you can understand their concerns. And looking at the chart, definitely I understand the concerns. So keeping it real with you guys, what I would say is that, look, decide what you're gonna do with your token. Are you gonna hold it on for the long term, basically until to see if the price recovers? And if you're going to do that, then you need to analyze, first of all, analyze your capital, analyze how much patience you have, and also look at your risk tolerance. So basically this video was just a chit chat to let you guys know of the update of Gamer token. Take a totally neutral stance on Gamer token, all right? So it's not sponsored or anything like that. I just want to give you guys an update, give you guys some advice, investment advice, and the decision is ultimately down to yourselves. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe and of course hit that notification bell. And if you enjoy Gamer token, or basically you've been seeing a return on investment, or you have faith in Gamer token, or you just like the token, make sure you guys smash that like button, and of course comment below, let me know your thoughts on Gamer token. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.